This is an example of calculating our periodic equivalent cash flow from the present value of ordinary annuity using Excel. Let's go through our example. Jacqueline deposited $100,000 at 8% effective annual interest rate, so our present value is $100,000, interest rate is 8%. She will make equal withdrawals at the end of each year over a 5-year term, so our N will be 5 years. What would be the amount of equal withdrawal? So let's plug in our variables here. Our present value is 100,000. Our interest rate is 8%. Our time is 5 years. In order to calculate our periodic equivalent cash flow, we need to use our Excel built-in function, which is payment. So write equal payment, open bracket, and follow what's written here in the function. Put the rate, 8%, comma, our number of periods, 5, comma, and our present value. Please remember, we have a negative relationship between our payment and present value. Therefore, we need to put a negative sign in front of our present value. Close bracket, enter. This will give us the amount of our periodic equivalent cash flow.